Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Guess who moved? No, I'm just kidding, can you imagine? I am just home for the holiday at my dad's place, and since I wanted to pretend to still be productive and get some videos up, I set up a new filming area for myself. So this background is temporary, but they say a change of scenery is just as good as a holiday. So this is what I'm going to be for the holiday, and today I created this baby blue makeup look, which I feel can definitely count as a colorful summer look as well. But I am cold. It is a lot colder here than where I usually stay. I woke up cold this morning because I didn't have my window closed all the way, so I decided to dress it up all winter-like today. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. As usual, I'll be starting with my Wet n Wild primer and I'll be applying it all over my face. While that's soaking in, I'm going to use this I Love Stage eyeshadow base to neutralize my eyelids. I'm going to use my big fluffy blending brush. I'm going to pick up this purplish grey color. I think it's a really pretty transition shade, so I'm going to pick it up and work it into my crease. This is a great crease color because number one, it's not that intense of a color, and number two, the gray tones in it really helps it blend out easily without it looking, too choppy or anything. And number three, it can go with many other colors. It will blend with many other dark colors because it has that dark hint of gray in it. Today I'm not going to work with the grayish tones in this eyeshadow, but rather the purplish tones in this eyeshadow. And I think it's really going to help it blend well with this light blue color because it does have a little hint of purple in it. So I'm going to pick it up with a slightly fluffy brush and I'm going to work it right into my crease to help the two colors blend together. I'm applying the color right here in my crease and then blending it up into it, but by no means am I blending it up as high as the gray color. I'm just blending it enough for the two colors to kind of mesh together. With the same brush, I'm just going to pat this color on all over my eyelids. I'm using my finger to pick up the color instead because it seems to give better payoff. So I'm going to use my finger to dab the color onto my eyelid and then carefully blend around it so that I don't just brush off all the shadow I'm applying right now. I want to warm up the edges around the purple a little bit, so I'm going to pick up this orangey color and I'm going to lightly brush it on around the edges of the purple color right there. I want to use my LA Girl Pro BB cream in the color Fair, but that is not quite my color. So I'm first going to take this and dab it onto my face just a little bit. Oops, it's getting empty. No, come on. There we go. So I'm just going to dab it onto my face. And then I'm going to mix in a touch of my foundation in the color Fair, because I found out yesterday, accidentally, I didn't squirt out enough foundation. And then I just grabbed from my BB cream that these two colors together work a little better. So the BB cream in the color Fair and the foundation in the color Porcelain work together. And I don't think you're actually supposed to mix these two, but I didn't have any problems with it yesterday, so I'm going to try it out again today and see if it lasts. I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender then to blend all of this out. For concealer, I'm going to use this Pure Nude one by Essence, and it's like a little pen marker, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to use it to literally draw on the concealer in the areas I want it. And it's nice and soft because I left it in the sun a little earlier. So it's really blending onto my skin easily, and hopefully it'll blend out easily. As you might or might not have noticed, I am having terrible breakout. Well, it's not that bad, but like on my chin, under my nose, on my nose and up here, and even on my chest. And it's just, I don't know, the air is different or something. I haven't been doing anything differently, but I have a breakout going on and I'm very aware of the fact because I haven't had any, spots that are worth noting in quite a while, and now it's like they're everywhere and I'm so aware of it, which is a pain, and I don't know, but that is part of what makeup is for. You can just conceal that puppy up. to set all of that, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just picking it up with my beauty blender, and then I'm going to press it in all the areas I want to set. And you know, even if I have spots, I don't always conceal them. I just go over them with my BB cream or whatever I'm applying that day. And because if I were to apply layers, it doesn't necessarily, you know, look good. It'll look cakey and obvious that I'm covering something up. Where if I just have a spot, you know, slightly showing like that, it's okay. Like, as long as it's not red and all that prominent, I'm pretty fine with it. So anyways, next I'm going to finish up my lower lash line. So I need this palette again, and I need my brush that's all the way over there. I'm going to first run this purple grayish color. No, I'm not. I'm going to first run this orangey color underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to run this purpley grey color underneath my eyes. I just wanted the same warmth there that I wanted on my upper lid as well. So I'm just shaking off my brush and I'm going to work it in right here. As you can see, I really caught the whole area up to there, so that it really makes my eyes look round. It's not something I usually do, but I want to see, you know, what does it look like, give it a try. Anyways, back to my upper lid. I'm going to use this brush. There isn't much on it, I tapped it off. So I'm just going to swirl it around the edge of my eyeshadow because I applied my foundation and some of it did get here. So I'm just going to blend it out into that area again, and to make sure everything is smooth and blended properly. Next is eyeliner, because I love eyeliner, so I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to see what type of wing happens today. I'm not going to say what I want to do because I usually do that, then I say I want like a long thin wing and then it doesn't turn out as a long thin wing. So today I'm just going to do it, and then whatever it turns out as is totally what I was trying to do. All I have to say about my wings today are they are sisters, not twins, and that is my motto for them. On to mascara. My Catrice Lashes to Kill one is severely drying out, so I decided to get myself a new one. I grabbed the Essence All Eyes on Me Multi-Effect Mascara because, you know, this is the only one available in the shop, and I believe it is cruelty free, so I just picked it up. And I'm going to try it out for the first time now. I know my roommate has the blue one, the waterproof one, and I used it in one of my how to build a makeup collection videos, but let's see how I feel about the mascara itself. It's a dark, lightweight mascara, and it definitely made my lashes really dark, but if you're looking for volume, this one is not for you. Like, my lashes look like babies compared to what they looked like when I was using this one. So I'm going to give this a second to dry, curl them, and then apply whatever little is left in this still, because I want my lashes nice and big. The one good thing about the mascara that I just used is it's really great for your lower lashes. Like, it looks really natural, doesn't make them clumpy. And you know what? I think this would be a great mascara if you're not wearing eyeliner. But with eyeliner, as you can see, my eyelashes completely disappear against the black of the eyeliner, and I don't like that, so that's why I'm going to try and add, you know what, let me try and add a second layer of this one instead of using that one, to see if maybe I can build this up, because this multi-effect mascara gives you extra volume, length, curl, thickness and separation. It definitely gives you the separation, but the thickness I'm not really seeing. I've noticed that when I curl my lashes, they kind of lose the separation, so I'm just going to try and undo this with this little brush. Wow, it was hard today. Just brush through my lashes. Now it's a lot easier to do it from the top, so I'm just going to comb through them a little bit to separate them again. For my waterline, I'm going to use this Essence Eye Pencil in the color C'est La Vie, and I'm going to color in my waterline with it from a high angle because I don't want the silver to catch on the base of my lashes, which actually means I should have done this before my mascara, but I always forget to do that. Because of the eyeshadow in my lower lash line and the bright color in my waterline, my eyes are looking really round. If you want them to look more cat-like, you can apply some black eyeliner and maybe just drag it in on the outer thirds, not all the way. But today I'm going for the doll-like open eye look, so I'm going to leave it like this instead of going in with black like I would usually do. For a highlight, I'm going to use my Carly Bible palette, and I want to use this pink highlight because I haven't used it yet. And I'm going to first put it on my lip, because here's where I can see if it's going to work or not. Like here's where it'll show if it's too bright or doesn't match or whatever. It's actually real nice and subtle, like I really like it. I was expecting it to be brighter like the white, but the pink is actually really nice. So I'm going to apply here on the bridge of my nose, blend it out with my finger. I know some people, you know, draw it all the way down their nose. I don't like doing that. I feel it just makes my nose look bigger because I have such a big nose anyways, and you see it shining the whole time, where if you just blend it out, it kind of just catches the light when you tilt your head. So that's why I like just having it focused here instead of all the way down. This color is of course also going to go underneath my brow bone, and I should probably still fill in my eyebrows, but I think I'm just going to do them with some... Ooh, I touched my eye. Let me erase that. I use this stone brush and just brush away the highlight I stabbed there because I can't aim to save my life apparently. I was saying I'm going to fill in my brows with some powder because I don't want to use the brow pencil. I'm not in the mood for it. It also makes my brows real dark and I don't want super intense brows, so that's what I'm gonna do, and let's see how that goes. And why not on my cheeks? My cheeks deserve some of this really pretty color. Ooh, look at that. It's all mermaidy compared to this one. This one's all, you know, warm, and this one's all shimmery. I like it. So I'm just gonna brush it on there and there. Is it showing? Yeah, it's showing a little bit. For my brows, I'm gonna mix this dark brown color and this black color, and I'm just first gonna brush them out like I usually do. And then I'm gonna jump in, and I'm literally just gonna follow the shape I'm brushing them in now. Look at how pretty this one is, and then this one's like eh. So I'm just gonna follow this shape and smooth it out a bit with the eyeshadow. Again, sisters, not twins. For my blush, I want to use this peachy color here because I think it would be a nice blush with a pale blue. So I'm just going to work it onto the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to drag it on this whole area to give myself like a youthful glow, I heard someone call it. Like it makes you look younger if you have pink all the way up here, and more mature if you just have the color here. To line my lips, of course, I'm going to use this Luxe Nude Temptress lip liner and my mirror to get them done. And you know, I don't know how I should line my lips because they look normal as is, right? But the edge of my lip is really there. Like I don't overline my lip, that's just the shape of my lip. So when I fill it in, it looks like I draw on these chubby lips, but that is the shape of my lip, that's the edge there. And I don't like it, I like it more if it's like straight back. So I'm gonna try lining it without hitting that part to make my lips look a little slimmer, and then see if it looks weird with the edge of my lip showing. For lipstick, I'm going to use Ooh La La by LA Girl. If there's one thing that lipstick does, is it shows exactly how dry my lips are. So, ooh, that was a slimy sound. I'm going to use the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. Just one swipe as always, and I'm going to use the same finger to just blend it out on my lips. And voila, no more dry lips. Anyways, I am gonna see if I have something that goes with this eyeshadow look, and then I will be right back. And then this is the final result. After sitting in a t-shirt for a while, I am cold, so I put on this grey cable knit sweater that I got from my younger sister, which is gonna be mine for the holiday while I'm staying here. It's nice and cozy, and because its neckline is actually pretty high, I decided to take my hair up in a ponytail because if the neckline is high and all my hair is down, it looks like a bit much to me. So I usually take my hair up, but I didn't want it to be all slicked back, so I have these huge pieces of my sideburns down as well, so that it frames my face and it doesn't look all slicked back like I'm about to go to school. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, ciao!